Prep the molds by spraying them with any lubricant. PAM cooking spray or WD-40 will do. Attach the 3/8 inch concrete anchors with 3/8 inch bolts to the molds. Place the molds on a flat, level surface prior to filling with concrete. This will ensure the concrete anchors are in the right position for an easy assembly. Mix the concrete according to the instructions on the bag. A 5,000-pound mix is a good choice. You will need about 220 pounds of dry concrete mix or 3 80-pound bags. Place the mixed concrete into the molds. Gently tapping as you go will help smooth out the mix and release air bubbles. When about halfway filled, place rebar into the mix and continue filling and tapping. When about 1/8 inch from the top, lightly trowel to smooth out. Do not over trowel. Standing water will appear as the concrete starts setting and then disappear after about 1 hour. After the standing water disappears and the concrete is firm but still damp, lightly trowel or float the concrete again to gain a smoother surface. After 36 to 48 hours, you can remove the molds from the hardened concrete. Placing the molds across some 2x4s help with the removal. Remove the securing bolts only after you have turned the molds over. Let the concrete harden for about 7 days. This is a good time to clean up the molds with soap and water. After allowing the concrete to cure for about 7 days, rub the exposed edges with a masonry brick or a masonry rub brick. A concrete rub brick is inexpensive and is available at most hardware stores. Spending 5 minutes doing this will remove any sharp edges and achieve a better appearance. Cut 7 2x4 boards to the exact same length. 6 or 7 feet is most common. Measure 1 foot in from the end of each board and drill a 1/2 inch hole in the center of each board. 1/2 inch holes precisely measured and drilled will make assembly easy. We recommend using 2.5 inch 3/8 inch flathead socket bolts to attach the boards to the concrete anchors. When done, you can mark, remove, and cut the bottom stabilizer board for an improved appearance. For more detailed hardware and assembly information, visit our website at concretebenchmolds.com.